Would you like to organize your patterns neatly and accessible? You know exactly where everything is. Well, I'm here to help you. I will tell you 5 different ways on how to organize your patterns right now. Hi, my name is Nikki and I'm the creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. For you, just for you, I have 5 different ways to organize your patterns. Finally, let's release that chaos and get it organized. Let's come back to the peace and calm and knowing exactly which patterns you have and where they all are. So here we go. Number 1, print out your patterns. Use binders and organize them into categories. Now, which categories? That's totally up to you. You can say, these are all the hat patterns I have. These are all the scarf patterns I have. These are all the cardigan patterns I have. Or here are my favorites, go-to patterns. Or here are the patterns that I always use for markets, when I sell my items at a craft store or even on Etsy, wherever you feel like it. Hang on, I know some people will say, well, hold on, that's a lot of paper. I have thousands of patterns. I get it. Well, here's the thing. I'm one of those people who likes to save things twice rather than losing it all. So you can print it all out knowing that in case your computer crashes, your phone gets lost, you don't lose your patterns. So, hey, you know, double purpose. I get it. It takes some time and money to print it all out, but it is up to you. That's just one of the 5 ways. So let's get right into number 2. Number 2 is organizing your yarn into folders on your computer or external hard drive. Yes, I have an external hard drive because you never know when your computer is going to crash and won't turn on again. So I like saving my things on an external hard drive so I can move it from one computer to another, just in case. Then there I organize it by category. These are all the hats. These are all the scarves. These are all the XYZ. You choose, make them into a folder, dump it all in. In fact, you can even organize it by designer and say, these are all Nikki's Homemade Crafts. These are all XYZ designer. You figure it out, whatever works for you. So that way you feel calmer. Number 3 is actually a way that I also use. Yes, I use number 1, 2, and 3. Number 3 is organizing your patterns on a Google Drive online storage unit / applications. So, meaning I put my pattern folders or categories, whatever you call, onto my Google Drive. It's an online storage, so if I lose my external hard drive, my pattern papers, let's say you print them out, get lost or, you know, go on fire, or my computer crashes, I still know I have my online storage. So if anything happened, it's in the cloud, like some people like to say. So there is a great way to make sure that you don't lose your patterns. Just put them all there, know where it is. It's one login and you know exactly where your patterns are. Organize them into folders just like you would on a computer. Now the same is true if you have just a mobile device. You can have an app on there where you can organize your folders and patterns, etc., etc. There's many different ways how you can do it on a phone, tablet, wherever you wish. You don't have to have a computer, meaning a desktop, to do that. You just figure out whatever works for you and just stick with 1 or 2 of these suggestions. That way you know if one falls out, you have another one. That's a backup. Number 4 is a great way to also organize your yarn. I'm keeping this one separate because it is kind of just one website. And I'm talking about Ravelry. I know some people don't use Ravelry. I get it. You can use any of the other suggestions. But if you're using Ravelry, you can organize your pattern in your pattern library. Well, there's one little problem on that, is that you can only organize your patterns, as far as I know though, so hey, I might not know everything, but as far as I know, you can only organize your patterns that you have gotten through Ravelry, meaning you either got them for free or you paid for them. You can organize them there in different folders and you know exactly where what is. From there, you can even post pictures as a project. You can show for yourself or to the world how you did that project. So let's say you have one of my hat patterns and you made it. You can post a picture as a project and put your notes down. Say, I used this and this yarn and it worked out great. Or I used this to sell at a market, whatever you like. Number 5 to organize your patterns is to join the Crochet Club. The Crochet Club is my VIP membership. Now, that is only specific for my patterns though. And what does that mean? Well, guess what? I actually took the guesswork out of it. You don't have to organize your patterns that are from me personally, which means I already organized them for you. So that saves time. Now, of course, it doesn't include any of the other patterns that you might have, such as other designers or magazines, etc., etc. But it is all my patterns organized already into categories. So you won't have to worry about figuring out where which pattern is. I already have them into different categories for you, and you can exclusively get them through the Crochet Club. If you're interested in that, there's a link in the description or right up here for you to take a look. I have hundreds of members already part of the Crochet Club, and they love that they have their patterns organized. They get extra support. Yes, extra support live on camera. You request any pattern or tutorial. I fulfill this request either through live camera or I do it at a later point. But everyone in the Crochet Club gets first priority. VIP access, if you wish to say. I have gotten so many awesome reviews and testimonials from these amazing members. They love that I took the guesswork out of it and have it all done for them. They don't have to worry about it anymore. No more stress, all relaxing, and it feels like a family. Everyone helps each other and is there for each other to support. Now, so I gave you 5 different ways to organize your patterns. You can pick 1, 2, 3, or all of these options to organize your patterns the way you like it. In fact, I even have a little freebie for you to make it even easier. There's a link in the description that allows you to get a little ebook that has a collection of templates for you, organizing your patterns, your yarn, even your goals. So you can grab that template, you can print it out as many times as you like, or even use it on your mobile device and write right onto it. I broke it down into pieces for you so you can use this template over and over again. I hope it will be helpful to you to have a happier crochet life, one pattern, tutorial, or yarn at a time. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Be sure to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on that little bell so you get notified the next time I'm live or publish a new video like this, or where I actually teach you how to crochet a stitch or a pattern. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye!